Hello everyone, welcome back to Stylish Design. This video I have created for you beautiful viewers is about different hair transformation, and it's really unique, and moreover I don't think how much of these are real because these look so unique and unbelievable as well. If you know what is the truth about this, just comment down below. Guys, this differs from color to color and from unique shapes and sizes. These kinds of hair really fascinates me, and I am really curious to know more about this. I have created this a video for you beautiful viewers so that you can enjoy watching it too. If you did, hit the like button. Look at this one. It's like a complete huge hat over that girl. And look at this, how fancy does it looks? An octopus one. How unique is this? Again, a crow with nest. This one is something really pretty, but I don't understand how beautifully these are made. Look at this one. These are really all gorgeous, but still unbelievable that does this exist. Are you enjoying watching this? If yes, then let me know down in the comment box below which one did you like the most. Look at this floral hairstyles. These braided ones really look cute, and look at this flower petal hair, how gorgeous it is. Each of these is really unique. And look at this one with pearls. Look at this like a fancy ribbon one. This is really huge and a yacho weight. This is at the top, really. I don't believe how creative these are. Look at this one, how fluffy. Amazing and so gorgeous. These hairstyles appears really to be something fake, or does this exist? And question mark. How creative. Which one did you find most cute? Just comment down. And I found this really cute. Look at this one. Every single of these looks like it had got lots of effort to create these beautiful hair designs, and it's really creative. It's so wonderful. Every single of these are so fascinating. Look at these braided ones with bangs. I loved watching them all. It's so satisfying for me, as it's for you as well. Let me know down what video would you prefer to watch next. I'll tune according to your recommendations. I'll be waiting for your suggestions. Look at these cute bows. Pretty bow hairstyles. Look at this pretty bun. This is so beautiful, paired with jewelry, and this is kind of messy look, and again a huge braid. Look at this floral hairstyle, and this is so good. If you're enjoying watching all these, just hit the subscribe button. Make sure you never miss any update. For that, hit the notification bell on. And for more, just take on. Thanks for watching.